Right, I didn't expect to be getting quite this far tonight. I just want to check if that magic eye looks on or whether it's reflection from the screens, but it looks like it could be green in there and hopefully working. So that magic eye hopefully should work. But basically, I'm reading the output each side at 230 volts to 32 volts now on each side of the diode output plates, which is what will attach to the filter capacitors when they arrive and they're installed. But at the moment they're not in, but there's quite a lot of the rest of the circuitry that's come alive, which I didn't expect. With just the rectifier diode, got quite a nice hum through the speaker, so that hopefully that means that the audio output section, which I know is okay because I've heard it crackle, so that should be okay. But you can see there the how well lit the rectifier tube is with all the filaments lit up pretty, and hopefully that it's looking pretty good for the magic eye and the rest of the circuitry holding up whatever's running, obviously beyond the heater circuits, but the hum that's coming from the speaker is obviously there's other stuff that is actually attached, which I've got to go and recheck that circuit, because as far as I'm concerned, which I will show on the circuitry, why nothing else should be powered. So I'm very rusty on valve amps. Obviously I need to really start to think about what I'm doing these days. But anyway, it's a good start. Unexpected. I shouldn't have been doing this at this stage, as far as I am, but it's done. So I won't be treading very carefully around this thing once it's switched off, because I don't know what capacitors, if any, can remain charged in this. So I'll have to discharge it with my Carlson discharger and go from there. But anyway, at least I know the rectifier diode appears to be working and giving out 245 volts each side, which seems very high to me. Well, no, maybe not, because then, yeah, multiply that by 1.414. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be giving, but then by the time the drops, when the caps are put in and the other components, that will drop under load. So it's, yeah, we'll 240 volts AC is 339.5 volts peak. So we should be less than that by the time it's rectified and under load. So it'd be somewhere between 300 to 330 volts DC circuitry on this thing. So we'll see how we go, if I haven't electrocuted myself in the meantime.